It's big, it's powerful, and it has a name that sounds like it's about to drop a mixtape. But does it live up to the hype? Well, I took it out for a spin, and let me tell you, it's like driving a tank with a V8 engine. It's the kind of truck that makes you want to grow a beard, drink beer, and sing the national anthem with 2 AKs in your hand, and a Glock in your Rari. But here's the thing when you're driving the 6x6. You better make sure your destination has more space than space itself, because this thing is about as nimble as a hippopotamus in a tutu. You'll be doing more U-turns than a politician during election season. And if you thought the 6x6 was big, wait till you see the turning radius. It's like trying to pull a hairpin turn with a cruise ship that's been beached. I had to stop to ask directions just to make it out of this airport runway. Twice. But all joking aside, the Brickade 6x6 is a beast of a truck that can handle just about anything you throw at it. So if you're looking for a truck to get the job done during any situation, and you don't mind feeling like you're driving your first apartment, then the Brickade 6x6 might be the vehicle for you. First being unveiled back during the finance and felony update, but I guess Take-Two didn't take enough money out of your pocket, so they reintroduced it with some minor changes. And today, we'll be going through them. Coming here to the front fascia, or should I say, the front side of the barn. Built-in bash bars to take down any oncoming obstacle. But as you can see here, I went here with the light ram option. Just above that, the beautiful MTL logo, leading to the massive windshield and a nice light bar addition right up top to make it easier during those nighttime operations. Walking around to the side, first thing you'll notice is the minor height difference I made. With this 6x6, as it is a bit taller than the previous model, offered to handle even the most harsh terrains in Los Santos. Fooligans livery to make the vehicle stick out more than a sore thumb than it already has. And no need for the armor plating around these parts. We just rub some Max sauce on it, keep it moving. But there is an option for it. Heading towards the rear, ain't much to look at, besides the broad side of the barn. And if you got more money than sense, you're going to have the option of having the Manchez Scout C as a delivery bike for those acid lab mission runs. And a nice little bumperable, whatever that's called. Hopping up into the front seat. Very plain Jane interior. Just the front 2 seats. And the sound of that 24 valve inline Detroit 6 pushing out up to 400 horsepower with an ungodly amount of torque, which will be useful when ramming through those barricades during those police chases. But since we can't pop open the hood, that's enough of me talking. Let's see this thing in action. So I'll see you in traffic. Ooh, look at that, a moonroof.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Sorry for the slight hiatus, but we're back in the brick 6x6, taking for the spin. Oh, I'm lagging here. What is going on? It's killing me. Alright, hopefully it won't be too bad. But yeah, I'm back. Been busy with real life things, real life happenings. You know what I'm saying? I'll take the 6x6 for a quick off-road lap, you know, have some fun. But I hope everyone's been enjoying the content so far. Been working on the real life things. Also been changing a few things up on the Discord server. So if you haven't noticed, you probably can't see nothing on it as I work on it. Can we roll back over? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. I'll leave it in third. So yeah, working on the Discord server, new updates for the handling mod itself. So I'm gonna switch over to instead of using GTA5mods.com, I'm gonna just start using GitHub. And it's just a lot easier for me since, you know, using Visual Studio and all that stuff. Good power on this though, right? Look at that. Oof. Do the bump. No dogs, so we don't have to run them over. But yeah, I just can't wait for GTA 6 to come out. I'm looking forward to that. You know, working on the server, trying to add more features, more swim to the highway routes. It's pretty difficult since it does have like a hard limit there. Oof. Cruising though, cruising. Shifts are kind of slow on this thing. If, you know, you have the luxury of using manual transmission, definitely throw it in a sequential. Ow! Oh, like any big truck. You gotta wait till them front tires catch traction. Oh, did we roll? What is... Hold please. Oh, it's a left. Oh, I forgot. Oh. The exhaust pop sounds you hear is part of the force induction kit that I've got posted on the GitHub here. But I haven't updated that part of it. Oh, is this small? Oh, sweet. Well, I have that on my GitHub soon. I'm just testing out a few things, some alignment things. Beautiful. Forgot it's right there. There we go. Slide through there. Come on. You gotta be careful over here. You gotta run it up on the left side, otherwise you get this weird bug where you just slam into the ground. Oh, careful around there. Careful. Going to fifth. Oh, considering this thing is just like a small house on wheels. It's nimble. Section here. Ooh, almost take that guy out. Let's hit the checkpoint. Make a left. Boom. The suspension power really helps this thing out. Let me tell you. Over the tracks. Boom. Ooh. There you go. Around here. Come on, cut it hard. There we go. Over that. Ooh. Over the tracks again. Coming up to the finish. Oh. Not bad. 3:07. 267. I actually get a chance to format of that, so hopefully next time you see it, if I don't get too busy, you'll see regular formatted numbers there. It ain't no record setter, but definitely did the job there. Anyway, I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe. I'm not gonna even ask you to like the video. But at least do check out all the links in the description. Give a big shout out to all the great creators that make the mods possible out here. And if you're feeling foggy, hop over to our Discord. Might get a chance to be featured in one of our videos. Hope to check you out in the next one. Peace.